How to use green screen on CapCut. So if you want to use green screen on your CapCut, then first you need to open up your CapCut application. Go with Edit, which is on the bottom left. Go with a new project. Select the project. Go with Add, which is on the bottom right again. And here you need to just adjust it. And once you've done, you need to now go with the overlay, which is on the bottom. Tap on Add Overlay and then select your green screen video. Go with Add, which is on the bottom. Now adjust it where you would like to add your green screen. And once you've done, you need to tap on the arrow, which is on the bottom left, and then swipe, and you will have Remove BG option. But first, select the green screen, and then here you will have Remove BG, which is Remove Background, and then tap on it. Now go and select Chroma Key, and then go with the color picker, and you need to select the color, which is green, and then go with the tick, and as you can see, that the green screen has been removed. That's how you can use a green screen on CapCut, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.